Most people are very familiar with Microsoft Word, and the later versions, 2007, 2010, use something called the ribbon, and that's what's meant by all this stuff up here at the top. So first thing I'm going to show you is the tab here, which is the Home tab, and then in later screencasts I'll run through other elements on the ribbon itself. The first thing to say is that if you find the ribbon distracting, you can always come up here and just close the ribbon like that and concentrate on the document. You can open it up anytime you like from here. I usually work with the ribbon open. I click there and it comes back again. Okay, well, let's go through some of the basics, and forgive me if you already know what they are. I've put some text in here, and just by highlighting the text you can change the font. Whoops, here we are, and I can change that. And as I move down, you can see the effect that the different fonts have on the text that I typed. So if I chose Century Gothic, I can then choose the font size just here to whatever I like. So I'll go back to something like 14 because that's easier. Okay, you can also, of course, bold it. You can italicize it and underline it. And anytime you like, if you don't like the change, just keep clicking undo, and you'll go back to exactly where you were before. While I'm up here, you can see this little arrow maybe just at the top here, and if I click on that, you can see that I can have as many or as few of these shortcuts as I like. I don't like to have too many open because they're always accessible. I like to have save, print preview and print, undo and redo, but don't forget you can tick more if you want them. Okay, well, let's have a look at some other features here. Okay, well, some of these you may not be quite so familiar with. I'm just going to highlight a little bit of text here and show you what happens when I click on this one here, which is some kind of text effects. And I'm not quite sure when you might want to use these, but if you're particularly artistic, you might want to. You can have shadow effects, you can have reflections, all a little bit distracting, but doubtless there is some call for them somewhere. You can highlight different colors of highlighting if you wish. Always remember you can undo if you don't like the effect. And then, of course, font colors. Now you can choose the standard colors, or you can go to more colors here and choose from here, or you can go to custom colors, and if there's a particular color you're looking for, you can put the code in there and find it, or you can just click. For example, if I want a blue color, click somewhere up here, and that will take me to the range of blues and purples and down to very dark blue and black. So we'll just click OK, and you can see the effect that that had there. Now I'll undo that. What else have we got? Well, we can, if we want to, we can put bullet points in, and just go here for bullet points, and you can choose different styles, or you can define a new bullet. I'll click here, and if I selected picture, for example, then I have a whole range of different picture styles that I can use, and I can even import my own. So choose that one. There we are, and OK, and there's our bullet point system introduced there. That's bullet points. Numbering is another feature of Microsoft Word, so I'll undo that, and now I'll click on the numbering systems, and you can choose any of these or any of these if you're going to be using different numbering systems, and this will automatically do that for you. I don't know why it's gone 1.1.1. Actually, I'm not a great fan of automatic numbering, but then it's there if you need it. Okay, so what else have we got? Well, we've got styles here, and if I move along here with that highlight, that text highlighted just like that, you can see the effect that these different styles, and every time I type then a new title or heading, it will have that style applied to it, so I don't have to keep choosing the font, choosing the style. Okay, well, I think more or less I'm done with this little bit of the ribbon, except to say, of course, that you can have the ruler showing, but I'll come on to that when we get onto the View tab up here. We can adjust the margins quite easily. Okay,